All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive with us. Today, we're going to be looking at something kind of different. I think you're going to find this one pretty interesting. It's a promotional flyer for a cleaning service.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so this is Donna's Cleaning Service in Joplin, Missouri. And, at first glance, cleaning service, all right. But here's the thing. This is part of a Read Each Day program.
Interesting.
Yeah, so it's like cleaning meets literacy. And I'm really curious to see how these two things connect. So, what do you say? We jump in and take a closer look.
Let's do it.
All right, so just from this flyer, Donna seems like she's really serious about her cleaning business.
Yeah.
So she's hardworking, reliable professional, serves both residential and commercial properties. And, she even has this tagline, a clean space isn't just clean, it's happiness.
I love that tagline.
Yeah.
It's so true, too. When my place is a mess, I feel stressed out and overwhelmed. But when everything's clean and organized, I just feel so much lighter and happier. I think she's really tapping into something there.
Yeah, I totally agree. I mean, there's definitely a psychological component to having a clean space.
Absolutely.
It just makes you feel more in control.
Totally. And, it's funny because you think about it. If a clean space can reduce stress, and stress can impact learning, especially for kids,
Right.
maybe Donna's cleaning is indirectly helping these kids focus on reading.
Wow, that's a really cool connection. I hadn't even thought about that.
Yeah, it's kind of like a ripple effect.
So what about this Read Each Day program, though? Do we know anything more about it?
Yeah, so it looks like it's spearheaded by an author named Nona Moysu. And get this, her books are called things like Pea Leaves, Banana Leaves, Cherry Leaves.
Wait, pea leaves, banana leaves, and cherry leaves.
Yeah.
Those are pretty interesting titles. I wonder if she's using those like familiar images to make reading less intimidating for kids.
Yeah.
Especially kids who might not have grown up around a lot of books.
That's a great point. Those simple everyday images could be really comforting and relatable for young children.
Yeah, exactly. And those titles just scream children's books to me.
Right. Which makes perfect sense given the whole goal of getting books to kids who need them.
Yeah, and it looks like Donna's Cleaning Service is listed as a sponsor, partner, or donor here. So she's really putting her money where her mouth is.
That's fantastic. It's so cool to see a business owner like Donna who's so passionate about not just her work, but also giving back to the community.
Totally. I mean, you don't always see a cleaning service linked to literacy, but Donna's found a way to make it work, and it's making a real difference in these kids' lives.
It really is. It just goes to show you that you never know what kind of connections are out there waiting to be made.
Right. So to recap today, we learned all about Donna and her dedication to her cleaning business and her awesome involvement in this Read Each Day program.
Absolutely.
But here's a question for all of you listening out there. What unexpected partnerships are hiding in plain sight in your own communities? Take a closer look. You might be surprised by what you find.
You never know what's out there.
Yes, exactly. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us for another deep dive. We'll see you next time.
See ya!